Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocially.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about Instagram Reels, and specifically, can you grow your Instagram account by using just the Instagram Reels? Well, I did an experiment and we're going to look at all the results inside this video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this. And I know Instagram Reels are very new, and a lot of people wonder if using Instagram Reels can help you grow your Instagram followers organically. Well, let's look at the results of the experiment that I did. So first of all, here's my Instagram account at alimirza2k. If you don't follow me, you know what to do. Follow me right now. And if you look at my recent posts, so all of these are Instagram Reels. So all these posts right here on my Instagram account, they're all Instagram Reels. I've been posting, I believe right after this video, all these posts are Instagram Reels. So 1 or 2 Instagram Reels every single day for last like a week or so. Now, the big question, did it really help grow my Instagram account or not? So let's go inside the analytics. I'm gonna click on these 3 bars and then we're gonna click on Insights. And now we're gonna go to, so see, I haven't posted any posts recently. We're gonna click on the audience and look at this data. So look at this number right here overall. So I have -13, yesterday -3, -6, -5, -9, -7, and then here's the, in past 1 week I've lost 56 followers. So that's the answer. Instagram Reels are not helping me grow my Instagram account organically. Now the interesting thing is, if I scroll down right here, so here's the people on my account. So majority of the people on my account are from the United States, which is the country where I live in. India, Turkey, United Kingdom, Italy, like a small portion of the followers. Here's the age range of people, the gender, and here's the followers when they are online, the hours and the days. So most importantly, posting Instagram Reels, just the Instagram Reels, did not grow my Instagram account. Now, does that mean you should stop posting to Instagram Reels? Does that mean you should stop using Instagram Reels? No. So here's the thing. I want to share a couple of, actually 3 important lessons. So 1, 2, and 3. So let's talk about these lessons, or these kind of like key takeaways. So first one is always be testing. So just because my Instagram account did not grow from Instagram Reel does not mean that your Instagram account will not grow either, because there are so many factors at play. Well, the biggest one, guess what? Maybe my content is not good. Maybe my audience did not really enjoy, even though I was producing content. A lot of people create the content and they feel like, hey, we're creating content, so we should grow. Well, not really. What if the content is not good? So maybe my content is not good. Maybe I'm not using the hashtags. Maybe there's not enough value for people to follow me, right? So just because for my personal Instagram Reels experiment, Instagram Reels did not grow my Instagram account, does not mean that you will see the same thing. So always be testing. You have to do your own testing and see, you know, what happens on your account. The second takeaway is a lot of people, so we all know that the Instagram Reels is similar to TikTok. I mean, they just copied it, right? But Instagram is a very different beast compared to TikTok. When we create content on TikTok, we grow, right? So there's a lot of like organic reach and engagement and growth on TikTok. On Instagram, no. So Instagram is not TikTok. So don't expect that you're gonna just post content on Instagram Reels and you're gonna see a lot of growth just like TikTok. No. Instagram is a mature platform. There's a lot of things that are pay to play now. The hashtags work on Instagram very different as compared to TikTok. So they're like very different. They're not the same thing. And I know a lot of people feel like, hey, TikTok's gonna get banned, TikTok's going away, so let's jump on Instagram Reels. No, I don't think so. I think Instagram Reels, even though they copy TikTok, but it's very different. The culture, the way the platform works on Instagram Reels on Instagram is very different from TikTok. So something that you have to remember, that we cannot expect the same, even though You can repurpose the content from your TikTok to Instagram Reels, but we cannot expect the same numbers, same type of results. All right, now the last one is Instagram Reels are very, very new still. I know Instagram and Facebook, the parent company, they're gonna make a lot of updates. They have to. I think the discovery on Instagram Reels, it's not, if they want to compete with TikTok, they have a very long way to go. But I do expect that they're going to improve. There will be new features, new updates, and Instagram Reels might get better. So stay patient, give them a chance, test it. Here's the biggest thing: always be testing, right? And then see how you can leverage it for your own growth, your own audience, to grow your own personal brand or business brand. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions related to Instagram Reels or TikTok, leave those questions below in the comments. Before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.